Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sell Lovable websites. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official Lovable website. Log in using your email and password to access your dashboard. Next, find the GitHub icon within the project and click it. Choose Connect GitHub and authorize access if prompted. Select the correct organization or personal account where the code should be stored. If you see a transfer confirmation, review it and click Transfer Anyway to export the project. After the transfer is complete, open the repository to confirm everything looks correct. Click the Code button and download the project as a zip file. This zip file becomes your main deliverable. Package the files with a simple README explaining setup steps, included features, and usage terms. You can sell the zip directly or host the website yourself and sell access with a one-time fee or subscription. So that's basically how you can sell Lovable websites. That's it for this video. Thanks.